You go ahead and tie it back on. Beautiful.
And this is poison ivy. You can tell because it looks poisonous. It tastes very good to goats. Goats will eat this. They say yum nom 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 nom.
On the next adventure, I'm gonna link some tops. So, jigs. Wondering what today was new. Had to pray you're not allergic to poison ivy. Yeah, whenever you are. Handy dandy device, as I said, is called the ring sling. Will allow me to send these pieces sampling. So now I can move a little more free. What I'm going to do is turn around this round piece I'm about to take. I'm strapped into it and then lean back off of it a little bit, like so, maybe more like so. See, but I'm tied in here and here, 2 points of contact. So now I'm going to take my orange Before you guys have been doing this a long time, you're probably going to think I'm stupid, and you're right, but I want to start everything else. All right, bro, it's probably going to get tangled up. It's going to get all tangled up in this other piece. Yeah, I just wanted to let you know so you're not like... It's tied off. Everything's good. See, vines make this incredibly difficult because they like to hold the piece. Good? And that's how you do that. That. Neighbor already gave me permission. He was worried about the tree falling on their house. It's right there. You know, their house. The tree was way up there, but I took a bunch out of it already. It's all down there. So. I'm tied in. So ideally, you always want to maintain 2 points of contact. I am currently fighting this ivy. So it's hard for me to put a sissy strap around it and yank it off at the same time. I'm ripping it up. And yes, I have a saw. However, sometimes I just want to do it by hand. Yes, there is poison. This is more poison. See, you can tell because it's poisonous.